Do you ever find yourself puzzled, thinking, why is she playing hard to get? You're not alone. Many of us have been in situations where we're trying to decipher mixed signals, feeling like we're caught in a romantic tug, war. It's easy to interpret this as a challenge, a puzzle to solve, or even an ego to destroy. But what if we strive to understand and connect on a deeper level instead of seeing it as a game? After all, authentic connections are built on trust and understanding, not on winning or losing. Let's explore the shades of modern dating and find ways to connect without the games genuinely. Number 1. Understanding the mindset. The first step in our quest to decode the art of breaking her ego is understanding her mindset. Why is she playing hard to get? It's not about domination. It's about connection. She's looking for a man who can challenge her, intrigue her, and prove his worth. The next time you're faced with a woman playing hard to get, remember that it's not a game. It's a test of your authenticity. So how do you tackle this challenge? The next time you're in this situation, remind yourself that you're not here to conquer her, but to win her trust and affection. It's about mutual respect and a genuine connection, not just an ego battle. Moving forward, let's explore how to break through her confidence. Number 2. Confidence is key. Gentlemen, confidence is your ultimate weapon in this quest. The next time you're faced with a woman playing hard to get, remember that self-assuredness is irresistible. Your confidence will shatter her ego, but in the best way possible. Body language is one of the most effective ways to display confidence. Maintain intense eye contact, stand tall, and exude positive energy. Let her see that you believe in yourself and what you bring. This will pique her interest and make her question her resistance. Practice active listening. When she speaks, she shows genuine interest and engages in the conversation. This will help you understand her better and demonstrate your confidence in your communication skills. After discussing confidence, the following point is Number 3. Mystery and intrigue. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about the magic of mystery and intrigue. When she's playing hard to get, it's because she craves a sense of wonder and excitement. It would help if you were the enigmatic figure she can't resist to dismantle her ego. Start by revealing just enough about yourself to spark her curiosity, but not enough to satisfy it completely. Share exciting stories, drop subtle hints about your passions and interests, and leave her wanting to know more. This will make her feel like she's earned your trust, creating a unique bond that will dissolve her ego. Be unpredictable. Surprise her with unexpected gestures, whether a spontaneous date, a heartfelt note, or a small gift. These surprises will keep her on her toes, making her question her hard-to-get stance. Number 4. Patience and persistence. Breaking through her ego takes time and effort. It requires patience and persistence. Understand that she might have her fears and insecurities, so she's playing hard to get. Be respectful of her boundaries and give her space when needed. But here's the kicker. Stay persistent, yet respectful. Show her that you're genuinely interested in her and that your pursuit is not just a fleeting fancy. Consistency demonstrates your commitment to getting to know her beyond the surface. Persistence should always stay within the line of obsession. Maintain a healthy balance and let her see that you're willing to truly invest the time and effort to understand her. With patience and focus, let's explore value. Number 5. Demonstrate value. You must demonstrate your value as a partner to destroy her ego positively. Showcase your qualities, talents, and virtues that make you a catch. Let her see the multifaceted person you are, whether it's your sense of humor, kindness, ambition, or unique skills. Highlight your achievements and ambitions not to brag, but to inspire her. Let her know that being with you means having a partner who can elevate her life in various ways. By showcasing your value, you'll make her question her resistance and consider the possibility of a genuine connection. Number 6. Show vulnerability. Now, gentlemen, you might wonder, how can vulnerability break her ego? Well, it's simple. Vulnerability is the gateway to genuine connection. When she's playing hard to get, it's often because she's guarding herself against potential heartache. By opening up and showing your vulnerabilities, you humanize yourself and create a safe space for her to do the same. Share your fears, past failures, and moments of self-doubt. Let her see that you're not perfect and that you too have faced challenges. This will create an emotional bond and make her realize that you're not just another player in the dating game. Listen attentively to her vulnerabilities as well. When she opens up, be an empathetic and understanding listener. This will deepen her trust in you and dissolve any remaining traces of her ego. Number 7. Create memorable experiences. When it comes to winning her heart, creating memorable experiences is a powerful strategy. Instead of focusing solely on traditional dates, think outside the box. Plan activities that are exciting, unique, and leave a lasting impression. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a cooking class, or stargazing under the night sky, these experiences will make her feel alive and add depth to your connection. Doing so will make her question her resistance and realize that you offer something unique. Pay attention to the little things. The small gestures, like remembering her favorite flower or surprising her with breakfast in bed, can have the most significant impact. These thoughtful actions will demonstrate your genuine interest and commitment to making her happy. Memories created. Now, number 8. Respect her independence. One of a man's most attractive qualities is respecting a woman's independence. When she's playing hard to get, it might be because she values her autonomy and doesn't want to lose it in a relationship. Please demonstrate that you not only respect her independence, but also admire it. Encourage her to pursue her passions, dreams, and goals. Show her that being with you won't mean sacrificing her identity, but rather enhancing it. Be supportive. Offer your encouragement and assistance in achieving her ambitions. When she sees that you're genuinely invested in her success, her ego will melt away, and she'll appreciate your positive impact on her life. Lastly, we wrap this up with number 9. Communicate your intentions. Gentlemen, transparent and honest communication is the foundation of any successful relationship. When she's playing hard to get, it's vital to let her know your intentions. Be upfront about your feelings and your desire to pursue a meaningful connection with her. Use bold and straightforward language to express your interest. Tell her you're not here to play games, but to build something real and lasting. Her ego will give way to the potential for a deeper bond when she understands your sincerity. Give her space to process. After communicating your intentions, respect her need to think things over. This shows that you're considerate of her feelings and not pressuring her into anything she's not ready for. In conclusion, winning her heart when she's playing hard to get is all about breaking down her ego respectfully and genuinely. Remember that it's not a battle, but a journey towards a meaningful connection. Confidence, mystery, patience, and value are your tools. So, the next time you face this challenge, approach it with the knowledge and tactics we've discussed today. Your ability to shatter her ego and capture her heart will transform your dating game and lead to a deeper, more meaningful connection. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more invaluable insights. Until next time, gentlemen, go out there and conquer hearts with integrity and authenticity.